Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can access the airport lounge and enjoy a grand buffet for just only 2 rupees. Can you imagine only in 2 rupees you can enjoy the grand buffet? It sounds unbelievable, right? But yes, it's actually possible with the right credit card and the offers. In this video, I will explain how airport lounge access works, what facility you get inside, and how you can make your travel experience much more comfortable without spending a lot of money. So come along with me and let's explore the airport lounge experience step by step. Watch till the end of this video to know each and every detail. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends and family. Let's get started. So when you reach the lounge reception, you simply show your boarding pass and your eligible credit card. The staff will swipe your card in the machine to check the eligibility. If your card is eligible, then the machine will show a charge of only 2 rupees. This is just for verification purpose. Once it's approved, you will get access to the lounge. So make sure to check the eligibility, otherwise it will charge more than 1000 rupees or so. Now let's go inside. As soon as you enter, you can see a very peaceful and premium environment. There are comfortable sitting areas, charging points, free Wi-Fi and a huge variety of food and drinks available. If you visit in the morning, you can enjoy a breakfast buffet. During afternoon, lunch buffet is available and at night, dinner buffet is served. Most airport lounge operates 24 hours, so food and refreshments are available almost every time. You can enjoy different varieties of snacks, main course meals, desserts, tea, coffee, juice, cold drinks, everything. Everything is included in the lounge. After having your meal, you can simply relax on the soft and comfortable chairs while waiting for your flight boarding time. Instead of sitting near the crowded boarding gate, you can simply sit in this peaceful lounge and enjoy your moment. So this is how you can enjoy a premium airport lounge experience for just only 2 rupees with the help of an eligible credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Watch till the end of this video to know each and every detail, every corner of the lounge. So you can just imagine and you can take your eligible credit card next time and you can experience a beautiful lounge facility. Whether you are a bachelor, you are a family person, or any business trip, so this lounge facility is just perfect for you. After entering the lounge, we were honestly surprised by how peaceful and comfortable the place was. The atmosphere was very calm, soft lighting, comfortable seating, and so many food options available everywhere. It did not feel like we were waiting at an airport. It felt more like sitting in a premium restaurant while flights casually existed outside somewhere in the distance. As a family, we really enjoyed spending time together here before we boarded our flight. First, we explored the buffet section and there were so many varieties of food available. There were snacks, sandwiches, desserts and many more. Everyone picked different things according to their choices. Some of us started with tea and coffee while others went straight forward to the snacks and dessert counter. The children were so much excited seeing so many options together, especially the cold drinks and sweet sections. And the best part was everything was neatly arranged and unlimited inside the lounge access. After finishing our meal, we rested on soft chairs for some time. There were charging points nearby, free Wi-Fi, so you can browse anything and enjoy the space for relaxation. It's actually made our travel experience much more enjoyable and stress-free. So if you are traveling with your family, airport lounge access can really make the journey more comfortable, relaxing and enjoyable before your flight. Sometimes the journey becomes so memorable not only because of the destination but because everyone finally sit together and spend some quality time with each other. The journey is not just about reaching a destination but about collecting moments along the way. Travel teaches us that world is wide, beautiful and full of stories waiting to be lived. Some journey begin with a ticket but become memories for lifetime. Do you know happiness is not only in arriving somewhere new but in enjoying every step of the journey. You know, a good journey is measured not only in miles or kilometers but in moments shared with the people we love more. Every airport holds thousands of stories, dreams, and reunion, and a new beginning. Sometimes the best part of traveling is the time spent together before the journey even begins. And this airport lounge, I can say, this is the best place to spend time before your travel starts. Journey becomes more beautiful when comfort, laughter and family travel together. The destination may end the trip but the memories of the journey stays forever. So after finishing our lunch and spent some relaxing time in the lounge, we finally headed towards the boarding gate to catch our flight to Thailand. The entire experience was really comfortable and memorable for all of us. From enjoying delicious food together to relaxing peacefully before the flight, this becomes one of the most beautiful part of our journey.